Let's learn some sports and their playgrounds. Badminton कहाँ खेला जाता है? At court. Baseball, diamond, billiards on table, boxing in ring, chess on board, cricket at ground, football is also at ground, polo भी ग्राउंड में खेली जाती है, swimming in pool, basketball is also court. Follow my channel for more learnings.